Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is about applicable here I'm only in the Philippines. I'm not so sure if this is applicable from other countries. This is about related to taxes that they pay. This is more on 12%. By the way, this is a Philippine law about this, the acronyms or abbreviations that I'm using. By the way, since I mentioned Philippines, of course, I will use two languages. Okay, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Steve. Steve Hoong po ang aking buong pangalan. Meron akong mahalagang sasabihin tungkol to sa acronyms or abbreviations sa aking YouTube. Baka magtaka kayo bakit ako parati nagsasalita ng English kasi ang ibang bansa ay minomonitor po ako sa acronyms or abbreviations sa iba't ibang bansa at iba't ibang kontinente. Ngayon naman, dito naman ako sa Philippines. Itong acronyms or abbreviations na binabanggit ko ay tungkol to sa pagbayad ng buwis na 12%. Yung time ni former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Kung matatandaan ninyo, meron siyang batas na ginawang EVAT. Ano itong EVAT? Ang EVAT ay ito yung Expanded Value Added Tax. Tama narinig niyo. Uulitin ko po, ang EVAT, ang ibig sabihin, Expanded Value Added Tax. Kung 12% ang isisingil. Yan ay aprobado ng Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR. Expanded Value Added Tax. By the way, this is a paid promotion label. Lahat ng acronyms and abbreviations ko ay paid promotion label. Oh, by the way, bago ko mag-say bye-bye o goodbye, I would like to inform to all viewers na don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next abbreviations or acronyms video or reels. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.